kwa Badwam TV Badwam so yadanita kutegwa sinkranchen somewhere Jordan open so wode asase de amaye de adu so no Adom TV Badwam kase samno ne etodwa mu bi ya wobetie ni adrobafo ya wo mo fa hohoye de kolo kwati kwan no so wo hoho mensini mu wo mfimfin mantemu so sa wo mo kwan ne nye aban meye emma won National Cathedral no eho ensam ne de abeto dwa se da bia no se NDC amanyoko no befro abanwa no a wanhwa won monto aso sansam no ne nsam bi na no pay mere so mo sa Adom TV Badwam kase wo shame live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV channel 119 DSTV 280 oko YouTube a search Adom TV 2 me ameso mo no pay me di afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni DMT se den nsam ni chemu ankasa etie Adrobafo eni akwantufo ya won mo efa ekwan eye hohoi kolokwati won mu supa fise no baye no niema bebre akakwaye ni mu na ne nyina no agina won mo ekwan no ama won ho han won ho tete won pa fise se baye a obefiri wa bedru ha no na just wa bremu ankasa akwantufo ni adrobafo bi ni Adom kase edi nkomoyi
complain na mo complain no enye asantito amasa I didn't say a complain, you know, say a quino I say do. So almost two spare parts too much. We go one trip, we back shop. Another trip, we back shop. Every trip there, we back shop. We back two spare parts. So yes, try a buy. Say one back why.
Ashenkafobia wonom edi akoniaba ewo kwan no so no edi toyama ne boni animu se ekwan no so fa edene ema wonom pa ne senti ebibia wode wonom ahyen ebefa honom no age se woto wombo efa so ntisa ebese wonom ahyen no ama wono
ye problem en edoso ye di kan every fuel no anyana so ye ti fuel so a 1 cd na ya tumu 5 cd ye this 1 cd na ya tum 5 cd nti akoye se calculation no ye hu ne ye beye na ye tum nso so omo ma ho kwan se lord fe no kosoro ena at the same time ye kwan ni enyanti ye koba kakrawa ye de be hwe ye ma no ye da ko wie shop nti ye votarians drivers are every voter region there masa in fact abansa de wondi mboye nti yesra no se obetimi aba mo mbrem ayabre
they have bad road when you see Kwati even from here to Kwati it take about 3 hours why first the road goes small we are taking 15 minutes to Kwati we are taking 3 hours so we are needing the government to come for our end here.
Nananom ne ade share ya wo mo gomwa aboyi ene de won ate den na fi se wo mra hwebedwani ya wo gomwa central na eyi akwansa ene coastal development authority aka won ho aboma besi adankra polyclinic a efampa hodo aduasa e wo aboyi community ni mu Adom TV kase etwaso
ne yehu ye ne se bebre honom a esan sanitary pad a omu ntimi ntonti no sabi se omu ekọ envichira omu nko school no matra fie 2 ebi nso e de ye basabasa ze minisika ma ofo ntimi ntomame engineer so at that tender age no ne be man koda just to get about 20 cities so the back to sanitary pad ye hwe ne so no
this year na ba central region abata na woko awodo a wo hwe honen kwana no drat so over half into one honen sem kese enfama hen ya ze papa enna hene ayawsa bia na yekwaja ayawsa ne yaye ntete sonko ye zama hene adatsofo hene midwives oni hene nurses no yaye nchechire sonko zama aza wo friend customer care osande say obi sorry finifie na so ba hospital enye sika na de yigwa na oba bezi oya yaresa na oba bepe nti ya no se dru hospital de nya nurse na datonyi na onye kasa ma wa hom ka wo ho na wakoma to wo yem
Enwachi oswafa bi de kira ohwe afisama so yonokuro ya eyemrahye bedwani a woginam ama wona ogumwa central na eyi akwansa enso so were tokromafo nyinaa mu se wonkoso nya gidie ewo MPP aban no emu
kachemo ide aban yesa atuado Dr. Mahmoud Baumia no di enyim emina na eyi ameka no ho mesremo enche kra abonye de menkasa kese minyim de bia mo ye mahen na afi so mo beye nya dada nya nsema kese ne ye beka me ye kan de mo wa ye dibi dan owo ho a yankofo bi fofor aban ya ye bi onam de mana na eyi aso nyame na adom mama ye bia me ye boa ye gudu ye nya ye ye besre mo hwe na mo fa ban mo sanfa ni sido
Bayento Adom TV Badwam kase no so na yankonsam fofromu na nipakuo bi a wono ka Ghana Health Service Council ye wahafo ene Western North mantam ni mu ene nipa miensa bi a womo afri Kenya se wahafo mantamu the sanitary parts 1200 akọ Asutifi North Education Directorate no wonye emayiwa no a wono edu won se bo nso sikase mu odin so benya bi atopade no onfama wo
yehu ye ne se bebre hono mo a esan sanitary pad a omuntimi ntonti no sabi se omu ekọ envichira omu nko school no matra fie 2 ebi nso ede ye basabasa ze minisika ma ofo ntimi ntomame engineer me ne be ma nkoda so at that tender age no ne be ma nkoda just to get about 20 cities so the back to sanitary pad ye hwe ne so no ye krom ne ha eninti ye pese ye start bibi ewa na ye be bua nkwara no
Elizabeth Atinga girl child officer ewo Asutifi North Education Directorate wone emaya wonum enya sanitary part CBA ene yamani buni etwetwe nkomo
mehwe de honorable Joe Willie ebeye ne nena in fact mani agi bebre sanse ma hu se me maya no as a girl child coordinator no ebe boa me ama me maya no sa anyensen no so bete ana drop out no so ana two ones no so e so bete.
My friend back who say what school dropout is for best money who say ni parents me provide hard money for best scholar and was into just
the blade because me so pana me na go bon strong na be mu na fi no sha wa me na bi be mu fa bi mu se ni enye le mase e don mase
Ghana ni dishie bia nsem wo bia adroye nso mpa no ho akoya adroye ma asanso Chechewere MA Junior High School eye mechanized borehole yi ebi na uhwemu a na school no nsuo na ho odin no ne ade nti sakura so wokọ akobu nsuo aba abehwa no wa mabiem nti ne ha de kire ene adesua nsuo ne nyame adom oboafo ya ba beyi sa ha no fi ho a adom kase etwaso yi
school for Ghana for bebre ni nsuo a so yankwa ki na nsukuku mensa Stephen Trotter ene the Smith mukọ amagimbu mu se sadia mu Ghana for no school no na mutuminya nsupa enum mu ha ne se okula no enye nsuo no mu fi school no mu kwa bonten ko pensio bi ho kwa bokopra na ka akobo mu na biso kwa mu emesua de nyina ha school for na sa ebi ye da you say you ba be su ni amakaze am school
teacher for no omumo nsuo no hu ban no mfa nyese bia omdo ye private ama obi aba no abesabi obi aba no abesabi enu de basa dia enche best from the omumo school no kwa ni enyusuo na ade na tinyache amaye
nana kakaria pew asanso manhene ochire mu se afi abato afie no ade se asomdwe hu hia wo man mu pa ne senti wode atomafo nyina animu se wonom koto wonom abawia omomode aso be free honom akọ wonom fie no akotwen amo abobo aba no ahunu ni a wadi mu enkunim
abato afi ni wo mu nti no anse abato ne duru ha okwa okoto aba kotuni di uwia na okofie di yempe hehe ni oye ne bia ewo ekurom a to bia hweyi na wamfa no ho ankoka nipa bonfo ho anya hwe campaign na omo beye no obia wo ye campaign a sa woka
asɛm a woba obetimi ayɛ ɛkyerɛ ɔtima amufo sɛ tɔ ɔma so mu a na ɔmo so kɔto aba na ɔma to ama kama nyɛ sɛ bia o mbɛyɛ campaign nkɔ baabi a wonka deɛ ɛbɛtɔ obi asum woba na ade sika na ɛne na nenam ɛyɛ saa nneɛma no deɛ
Brasebedwani de ma de hyia ɛwɔ nkwanta south ɛyɛ Geoffrey Kenny ɛne wayɛ nyame so adeɛ de computers ahodoɔ akɔmɔ ntroboman senior high school ɛwɔ otimantam no mu so onye mfɛnsua adeɛ ɛna abɛfo nimdeɛ no wɔn nso anyi bi mfɛmfiri ma dom kaseɛ ɛde bɛyi
yaban bia sɛ deɛ sɛ yɛbɛma yɛn nkrɔfo akwan pa na ɛnde a yɛne wo kasɛ wobɛdu nkwanta safa the fact say mama e free senior high uba ye schools mu a utimi hu say ye wo ehia akande bebre a ye betimi di aboa ye nkwala na omadi sua etimi akọ anim as compared to ne ewo krokesiem ye kase ubedu nkwanta senior high and there ye wo a computer age no ye nwanwa say ubedu ye schools mu a the school bi ani ho a obetimi abo sise omo computer lab mpo san crofo yin so no omo ye nkrofo a omo ni krokasiefo actually the same exam nenso bedu nkwanta omo ni computers
Charles Nyame komisa eye headmaster wo Intruboman SHS wono ene wogina su ya na mu eje computers ni nyina na wodi atugya se saa computers a wonsa ka no ebeboa ama adesuafo enya ICT mu nimdie afi so ebeboa se de be ya adesuafo yi ene wonom afefo a wonom ewo emia hodo ekogina wonom ebegina ti pen cross
the school here boarding house and so me adan my teacher for headmaster many masses for and a compound and I bet teacher for me rupe as on college who have bro 600 and to amopon school na teacher for akari nya ekofia omina to group na kai ni babe and 9 pe and I see FM collab 500 our boarding house and they are there ba ko e higher
nana asamwa kran ya otoso miensa ye achim abodom ohene ewo brem north mensimu wapoye mantam ne modi adesre to abodom adehye nyina akiri ne benche yes wonka wo humum pre impuntu ewo nkronim esan ahemfu nsemu ntawantawa ya ekoso ewo achim abodom ye wo brem north mensimu ewo apoye mantam munti no ama wonom impuntu aka akiri pa wahini a wokrum honom na nasamwa kran asesei National House of Chiefs agena tumu asese wa gazette ne din no e de adesrede ato manfo nyina anim se womeka wo humom ne womoa empre impumtu ema ekuru no na nasamwa ekire mu se wonom ewo ejapade bebre nenso assignment me ho asinti sika eda honom no wontumi emfa nye bibia beboa ama impumtu aba wonom krum ho wode sansemi tuja wabra wonom eye nase som ya wode ahemfo nketsoa enum ene committee members a wonom ewa achim abodom ekire manfo
ya mesra amayo ene impelifo ene committee ni se ye kaya ho abo se dumakua eye ni mo eba ye no ye die oma fire sase yeso omo dia pata ho ye mo sika awo EPA ye mo sika awo ye fere nakes ye na ese timi ye budunuma edima abodom rodie yeso so ena apamu ene etitimuti iskano etimi elokiye asi budunuma nya etibolesi tumi kata etitum se ohene etimi yo ohene no ene osuro abie ama esa akane die
nana kwakubuaten aya acting chief wa akwase nana ni nye ho kra sade DC ye wo brem ene mrahye bedwani wo mo health center foforo yesie no won ma lock no nene wo mo de ankobia hene foforo wa akwase asiso nana samwa minta siedu ena nana de nsemi etuda
ohone ye tese kuyanse ni di hye ba ko se owo nioma bi a ode ba beche ekuyanseman na clinic fo no ayusu me no kase nioma na bagu ahimfie ha ego office ha yewi a ye no bekwa kwwe ye bo oman ni nyina ma na ye kohia ye ekeka ye nsase ye de boa enioma ba ku mienu bi a ye betoto ni manimu ye omokwa ombehia ye ho ne ye san nya nkra se eden na yakoye ofre pani we ya wose on de onim ho hwe ye ni panifo nso kasa ye dada mu ho no ohaw ne amane nko an no mu kom we ye nso betutoi obekọ uti na ya oya entontom wo ho pa na se ho ye babi nso to etatai no udi uti ya le na ko ya obeba na fever san ye den achiw ti ya obekọ so asre empanifo DC ni MP se dan no ewo ho omadaroma omunye emoa na omumfi ha enko ho
na Samuel Ntasi edu kasa yemu no ene wahye manfo ne nyina abose wonom ebesi factory ye beboa ma mabu no wonom ewokrum honom no enye adwuma aye.
First of all no ese enye adwuma ema mrantie no ese enye adwuma na omuko school no mu wia omehu se eni da so bi honom a be wi school na adwuma wonom na omo rahye nko adwuma mu wausa omo school di adwuma no hia papa first of all se adwuma no ho a na school no kwa akwa no ko school no so odache okuwia o adwuma wo nti ompre no nko mine nim ti first of all foremost no ye hia adwuma no pa ye bie clinic bi wo edwom kwa so
ya to akase no so se ya nhwene yie na NDC amanyokuo no nkunimdie ba wono akwan mu a National Cathedral no de yen forget se bia wono ebeto so na bibie tesa na enhyiamudie bia koso bra frankatuni de man NDC amanyokuo ne sorry mpanifo bi ko hia wo Upper West region ne ho na sofo baako kire se nyame ya na Adom no ba wonhwe na cathedral no wonto aso na no kuransi ena mampani dada John Dramani Mahama kire se sasika no wono de wonya wode babua enwuma sua pomuden ene akwan a asay.
The president said that he made a pledge to God that if he won the election, he will build a cathedral for him. And so it is his personal pledge. And if he wants to build it, he must gather people who support that conviction to build it. And we were told that public funds were not going to be used for the cathedral. But eventually we found that the Minister of Finance was releasing public taxes. And our taxes are paid by not only Christians, they are paid by Muslims. And so we can't use public funds, including the fund of people of other denominations, to build a cathedral for Christians alone. And so there is a very important issue that we must look at.
John Dramani Mahama echirimu se na ban no enya de se wonom ebeyi US sika no opepe ohanan ene aduonum e de akosi National Cathedral e wa bra enwuma bebre wo honom obetumi e de sika ahyemu ye bebo amanfo nyina.
So far $58 million of public money has been spent just to dig a deep hole. And you have to ask yourself, is it justified in this day and age when children do not have desks in schools, when children do not have textbooks? For 5 years, we've not provided our basic school children with textbooks, even though we've come out with a new curriculum because we say there's no money. And you say we should use $450 million to build a cathedral. Even God will be angry with us.
Election headquarters ene ha kokromoti power yeguso NDC amanyoko frankatuni John Dramani Mahama nsam na wachirem 2016 die ntie ntwodie ba na kwan mu nyina no se ne no kwaredi a wodi ye na wo chiremu ne ade ntie ene ne waye wodi nkuguo e 2016 abato no mu no nso nsam odi tudwa ene.
We must be able to trust our leaders. Our leaders must be truthful and honest. I was brought up to tell the truth at all times. And so when I was president, if things were not going well, I told the people of Ghana things are not going well. And this is what we're trying to do about it. I think my honesty was one of the major problems that I had, because I didn't think that I should fool my people. Unfortunately, other people have other ideas. They would come and tell you sweet things, promise you heaven, when they know that they don't intend to do it. One village, one dam. We asked them, what kind of dam is it? And they said, one village, one dam, one village, one dam. Now we've seen the one village, one dam.
John Dramani Mahama esanso de to wono mu a wahia ho no nyina animu se abanye atiso sise no ade apotia ekoso o memu no wonum ade asie ne titiro ani anyina mahode mu hawo asise ekoso e wo menyi mu.
We must always be honest. Today, every day, you sleep and the lights go off. And we know that they are shedding load. They have a problem with generation. Some generation assets are down. They have a problem with paying for gas. They have a problem with paying for fuel. So every day they are shedding between 280 and 480 megawatts of power. But they will not give us a timetable and say you'll be off today, this one will be off tomorrow, because that's what Ghanaians know as Dumso. And so we'll just put off the lights anytime and reduce the number of megawatts so that the system won't go down. But we don't call it Dumso. And so there is no Dumso. But we know that it's Dumso.
Maminyene no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na be makwan na no pay mediasie medasipi umre no wadaje a wode hwe kase no de adu so no da bonkrata online stories no so aye krado nyim free ha kra ye basesie ne de atoso